Hello students, Rupal ma'am is back and I hope you have done your work by now. I want all the students to have their notebooks with them and a pen or a pencil in hand along with the textbook if you have. If you don't have the textbook, pay attention to this video. We have all the answers written here. I have given this today's lecture specially for the answers of exercise 1 lesson 1 the sentence you can read, but at the same time I am also dictating. If you can't read, please listen to what I am saying. Keep a pencil in your hand and be ready to check your answers of exercise 1 lesson 1. It is jumbled words. We have to convert it into a proper sentence. The first one is done for you. The second one is bees fly from flower to flower. Third, cheese and butter are made from milk. Fourth, there are 12 months in a year. 5. She washes the cups and saucers after tea. 6th, my mother gets up early in the morning. 7. A bad workman blames his tools. 8. Ashok came here a few minutes ago. Ashok came here a few minutes ago. So here we finished the answers of exercise 1. No, sorry, go to the next page. We have number 9. She cleaned the floor with a brush. She cleaned the floor with a brush. Number 10. The poor little boy sat in a corner. The poor little boy sat in a corner. Number 11. There is no happiness without good health. There is no happiness without good health. Now we come to exercise 2. Here you were supposed to write S for sentences and P for phrases. Here you can clearly see I have written it. The first is a phrase. Number 2, sentence. Number 3, phrase. Number 4, phrase. Number 5, phrase. Number 6, phrase. Number 7, phrase. 8, phrase. Number 9, phrase. Number 10, phrase. 11, phrase. 12 is a sentence. 13 is a sentence. And 14 is also a sentence. Now in exercise 3, I have not done anything you were supposed to do, and that is looking at the phrases. You were supposed to make the sentences on your own. If you want, I can dictate a few sentences, but I hope you have written them on your own. The first one is in the house, that is given to you. Second one is a sentence, so we don't use that. Third is once upon a time. So complete the sentence. Once upon a time, there lived a very wise king. Number 4, behind the door. The pen must have fallen behind the door. This is the sentence that I have made for you. Number 5, we have aeroplanes zoom. Now this is a tricky sentence. It can be this is a complete sentence also, and it's a phrase also. So you can put a slash and write a sentence. It can be used as a phrase or a sentence. Aeroplanes zoom. If you are using it as a phrase, let's make a sentence. Aeroplanes zoom in the sky. Number 6, right or wrong. How will we make a sentence? Please put a tick mark if it is right or wrong. In a corner, the cat was sitting in a corner. In the garden, there are lots of flowers in the garden. For my sake, please keep quiet for my sake. Now and then, We go out now and then to buy some vegetables. In a few days, our schools might start in a few days. And here we finish the phrases, and I made sentences for you. I hope you all have also made the sentences. Now we come to lesson 2. Please open lesson 2 and come to page number 4. Exercise 1. It is not very clearly seen here, but I am saying it at the same time. It's not very difficult. The first one is done for you. It is imperative. Second one is interrogative. Interrogative. Third is declarative. Fourth, exclamatory. Fifth, declarative. Sixth, declarative. Seventh, interrogative. Eighth, interrogative. Ninth, exclamatory. 10th, interrogative. Please come to exercise 2. I've written the sentences, but there's not enough space, so I'm repeating it. Pay attention to what I'm saying. The first one is an exclamatory sentence, so you will write H capital, how sweet this rose smells, and after smells you will put an exclamatory mark. You will put an exclamatory mark. The second sentence is a question. So what is the time by your watch? Here W will be capital, and after watch you will have a question mark. Third, shut the door, Roshan. You will just have shut the door, S capital, and Roshan, R capital, and full stop. That's it. Fourth sentence, who was knocking on the door? Here W will be capital, and after the door you will put a question mark. Fifth, you must never lie or cheat. Here Y will be capital, and after cheat you will have a full stop. Number 6, may God bless you with health. May, M capital, bless you with health. After health you will have a full stop. Seventh sentence is a question. So the beginning who will be a capital letter. Who has taken my pen without permission? After permission you put a question mark. What a thrilling movie. Say it is a exclamatory sentence. So here what, W capital. What a thrilling movie it was. After was you will put an exclamatory mark. The ninth is just a sentence, don't make a noise. So D capital, and after noise you put a full stop. The 10th is also a simple sentence called the declarative sentence. So we begin the T with a capital letter. The sun went down at 5:30 p.m. After p.m. we put a full stop. So here we have finished the second lesson. We come to the third lesson of subject and predicate. Please open to exercise 1. Here they have drawn lines, but I have not drawn lines because it looks untidy. You can either write complete sentences or just write the numbers for the time being. The first one, A, will have 10, that is ships sail on the sea. The last number 10. Here after A you will write number 10. After B you will write number 9. After C you will write 8. D number 3. E number 7. F 4. G number 2. H, it's already done for you. I number 5, and J, grow in pods, is number 6. So try to match the sentences and you will get a proper sentence. So that is our exercise 1. Now we come to exercise 2. That is our last exercise which we had done for the subject and predicate. Here you had to show what are the subjects and what are the predicates. have a marker with you because I would want you to write in a different way. I have just marked here the subjects because the rest of the sentence automatically becomes a predicate. So either you can mark it, or I would want you to write under separate headings, draw a line in between, write subject on the left side, write predicate on the right side, and that is how you will complete your sentence. So the earth is the subject, moves around the sun is the predicate. Number 2, the sheep is the subject. The rest of the sentence is the predicate. Number 3, Gandhiji is the subject, was respected by all his countrymen, predicate. Number 4, the village schoolmaster is the subject, taught in his little school, predicate. Number 5, breakfast is the subject, is the first meal of the day, predicate. Number 6, the mother of these children is a subject. Is a doctor becomes your predicate. Tom, subject, always does his lessons, predicate. The elephant, subject. Number 9, the poor little boy sums. The whole thing is a subject. Are all wrong becomes the predicate. The man is the subject. Standing in the corner is a policeman is the predicate. So I hope you have got all the answers till now of the 3 lessons that I had explained before to you. Please, if you have written them very quickly today while I dictated, make a proper notebook and write the answers according to the lesson very neatly in your notebook. Soon we'll be doing lesson 4, which is nouns. But till then, I want your notebook completed. Stay safe, stay at home, but also study. Bye for now.